Hello everyone, this is Pragati Kapoor, your EVS teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. So children, I hope you remember the last lecture of chapter 2, Our Body, in which we have read about the external and internal organs. Now, I am going to tell you about the next topic of this chapter, that is bones, muscles and joints. So, bone is the substance that forms the skeleton of the body. Bones store calcium. The adult human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. These includes the bones of the skull, spine, ribs, arms and legs. These bones are arranged in a particular manner. This gives shapes to our body and supports it too. We cannot see our bones, but we can feel them. The bones are connected to each other at all the joints. For example, if you feel your wrist joint or your elbow joint with your fingers, you can feel the stiff hard structure that lies beneath the flesh. This is the bone joint. There are many bone joints found in our body, like hip joint, neck joint, arm joint, etc. Along with bones, we have muscles in our body. Muscles are used for several physical activities. For example, when we ride a bicycle, we use our leg muscles for pedaling. Muscles and tissues cover our bones. They give us strength to move our body parts. Our body has more than 600 muscles. The bones and muscles work together to help our body function well. Now come to the next topic, that is body posture. Children, body posture is very important in our daily life. A good posture is a big part of your health. It ensures that your bones are well aligned with the rest of the body, while the tension in your muscles and ligaments is properly distributed. Body posture indicates the way we stand, sit, walk, or move. We must always have a correct posture. So, let's observe what a good posture looks like. We should keep in mind the following points. So, what is a correct posture of standing? We should stand with our head straight upon our shoulders. We should not bend forward, hunch, or slouch while standing. What is a correct posture of walking? We must maintain a steady pace and balance while walking. We must keep our back erect and keep enough distance between our legs. The legs should be neither too close nor too far. Now, the correct posture of sitting. We must sit with an erect back. We should not bow our head too much, slant too much on our sides, or lean too much on our back. Now, what is the correct posture of studying? And this is very important for you children. When we study, we need to sit properly on the chair. We should keep the book on a table. We should not hold the book too close or too far. We should not lean too much. A correct posture helps us study for a longer time without feeling tired. Now, come to the next topic, that is growing up. So, first of all, what do you mean by growing up? Children, growing up means to progress from childhood towards adulthood. All living things grow. A small plant grows from a seed. The seed first grows into a small plant called seeding. This seeding soon becomes a fully grown plant. In the same way, we are all born as babies. A newborn baby neither has teeth nor can it move from one place to another. Even they cannot eat anything. As time passes by, the baby grows, it starts getting teeth. It eventually starts to crawl and speak. Baby grows into a child and then into an adult. Now, it needs different clothes as the old ones do not fit. Then we start aging. Our hair turns grey, our skin wrinkles, our body and face looks different. In this way, we are growing up day by day. These are the 4 stages of our life: infancy, childhood, adulthood, and old age. So, children, in this way, all the living things grow day by day. So, children, I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. So, take care of your body by doing exercise and eating healthy food. Bye bye. Thank you.